Our planet hides secrets that are older than time itself. Beneath the crust, within the skies, and deep in the oceans, Earth performs miracles and horrors that most people will never witness. From fire rainbows that blaze across the sky to hidden oceans buried miles beneath your feet, here are 20 mysterious and shocking Earth facts that will change how you see our world forever. Let's uncover the hidden truths. 1. A hidden ocean beneath the surface. Imagine a massive ocean not above the ground but trapped inside the earth. Scientists discovered a huge reservoir of water locked in rocks 700 kilometers below the surface, holding three times more water than all surface oceans combined. This underground ocean could rewrite Earth's water history. 2. Fire rainbows that burn the sky. They look like heavenly flames, but they are real. Known as circumhorizontal arcs, these rare fire rainbows occur when sunlight passes through ice crystals in high cirrus clouds at just the right angle. They are so rare that many people never witness one in their lifetime. 3. The boiling river of the Amazon. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon lies a river so hot it can boil animals alive, called Chennai Timpishka. This natural phenomenon reaches temperatures of nearly 93 degrees, and scientists still don't fully understand how such heat exists far from any volcano. 4. A lightning storm that never ends. There's a place in Venezuela where lightning flashes up to 300 nights a year. Known as Catatumbo lightning, this rare weather event is so powerful it can be seen from over 250 miles away. It's Earth's natural lighthouse that never sleeps. 5. Earth's longest living organism is a forest. In Utah, USA, there's a forest called Pando, but it's not many trees. It's actually one giant organism, a single root system spreading over 100 acres, weighing 6,000 tons and over 80,000 years old. Pando has survived ice ages and may be the oldest living thing on Earth. 6. The mysterious singing dunes. Some deserts sing when the sand shifts. Known as booming dunes, they produce deep echoing sounds like a distant drum or airplane. The sound can last for minutes, and the exact mechanism is still debated. It's Earth's own hidden orchestra. 7. Blood falls in Antarctica. In the icy heart of Antarctica, a river of blood red water flows out of a glacier, but it's not blood, it's water rich in iron oxidizing as it meets air. This phenomenon, known as blood falls, has baffled scientists for decades and hints at microbial life that thrives without sunlight. 8. A perfectly circular storm on Saturn mirrors one on Earth. In Earth's South Pole region, scientists have found rare polar vortices that mirror Saturn's iconic hexagonal storm. These swirling atmospheric giants show how Earth shares strange behaviors with distant planets. 9. The moving stones of Death Valley. Massive rocks in California's racetrack playa mysteriously glide across the desert floor, leaving long trails. For decades, no one knew how. Scientists later found that a rare combination of thin ice sheets and wind makes the stones move, like nature's silent magic trick. 10. Bioluminescent beaches that glow at night. Some beaches around the world light up like stars when waves hit the shore. This isn't magic, it's caused by bioluminescent plankton that emit light when disturbed. In the dark, it looks like the ocean itself is alive and breathing. 11. Earth's magnetic field is shifting faster than expected. The invisible shield protecting us from solar radiation is moving rapidly, especially in the South Atlantic. This could eventually cause magnetic pole reversals, disrupting navigation and communication systems worldwide. 12. A lake that explodes without warning. Lake Nyos in Cameroon looks calm, but it's deadly. In 1986, it suddenly released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide, suffocating over 1,500 people in nearby villages. These rare limnic eruptions are among Earth's most silent killers. 13. Trees that walk across the jungle. In Ecuador, The walking palm tree appears to move over time. It grows new roots in the direction of sunlight and slowly shifts its position. Some scientists debate the exact movement, but it's one of the strangest behaviors in the plant kingdom. 14. A spot where gravity feels weaker. In Hudson Bay, Canada, gravity is slightly weaker than the rest of the planet. This anomaly is caused by melting glaciers and mantle convection beneath the Earth's crust. It's proof that gravity isn't the same everywhere. An underground forest hidden beneath China. In 2022, explorers discovered a massive sinkhole in China with an entire ancient forest inside, trees reaching over 130 feet tall. Scientists believe undiscovered species may live there untouched for centuries. 16. Earth has a second moon. It's not a real moon but a quasi satellite named 3753 Krudnai orbits the Sun in sync with Earth, creating the illusion of a second companion. It's been traveling with Earth for centuries, unnoticed by most. 17. Rivers that flow backward. Most rivers flow from higher ground to the sea, but in rare events like powerful earthquakes or tsunamis, some rivers have been recorded reversing direction, flowing inland. One example, the Mississippi reversed during the 1812 Pneumorid earthquake. 18 Earth's core spins differently beneath our feet. Earth's inner core may actually spin at a slightly different speed than the rest of the planet. Recent studies show this differential rotation could affect Earth's magnetic field, and it remains one of geology's greatest mysteries. 19. Stones that grow like living beings. In Romania, strange stones called trovans actually grow over time after rainfall. They expand, form new layers, and some even seem to move slowly. Their growth is still not fully understood, making them one of Earth's strangest geological wonders. 20. The Sahara was once a lush green paradise. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara Desert was covered in lakes, rivers, and grasslands. Rock art shows hippos and giraffes, where now only sand remains. This transformation happened because of shifting monsoon patterns, proof that Earth can change dramatically in a short time. Beneath calm forests, deep oceans, and endless skies, Earth hides secrets beyond our imagination. From boiling rivers to hidden forests, from moving stones to exploding lakes, our planet is alive in ways we are only beginning to understand. And every strange phenomenon brings us one step closer to uncovering the hidden truths of the world we call home.